Dr. Kufuor.
Doctor.
Dr. Mahama.
When was J.J. Rawlings a doctor? You want to occupy this kind of seat? Let me pass them the mean can be.
Ubi no tana po.
Me mean can be moved.
Napo kwa yaro Ken favorite.
Mean can be. But once Ken say pano baya one cause support no. Ken on him say na problem conducting wake cancer ma. Ebian kwankwan could delete. Akonya want na so that. Akonya you are playing to get there. Look at the way he addressed past presidents.
Rahila Lema Abeyebi, Dr. Rawlings Abeyebi, Dr. John Ajekuku Abeyebi, Dr. Bakuno.
Was on a Franco. You are being hard on a pop. Me catch him say. Or Kasaba could be 20,000 people. And the free MPP. People who are floating voters. When your money is on Metuaban, they run away. Look at the kind of comments.
Baje mobile phone 1 city, 2 city.
Driver's license 8 years to 10 years.
We year Juma swatches a year. So I say, why a digital man? One inquire approach license city.
And if you look at the kind of problems are Ghana for Kuma, the drivers for Kuma, are they talking about?
Well, you met drivers. You couldn't tell them, say,
yes,
I will reduce petrol. I don't have a problem. I have petrol.
Or maybe I will tell you they take emotions out. Oba nya obi tise free so fosu kwachi na oba catch us o ma be agwachi anajo per wachi dia e course 24 hour ko mi nya Jesus Christ. Chavez and so it's a serious matter. And this is for now the mama focus the alternative is can was so many jatanes bo o ma be yen o mo mu bia export to jatanes bo asem
we be export bia na jo export bia wi
asem we. And this is for now the mama focus the alternative is can. This is a grand opportunity for the NDC and other political parties to make sure we can wrestle power with the MPP. But NDC now or your alternative kese wo mu no people are saying say o mo is scary and per their conducts, their actions and inactions, you know, it goes against them.
Na so frankly ukonye that could be just a buono mutisiku.
And this is for now the mama focus the alternative is can.
See, I need you take a very critical look at the economy. One of this country will crash.
Message I for the qualified. Now Nipo do level 200 there.
Not make the school fees.
I for the cover medicine for and they be free. At the same,
you know the rest.
Hostel at the same,
you know the rest. We are going to have students. They only graduated in level 100.
Church a student loan will be and I get fancy cabinet there can say more much the child and I'm more say near Ghana for MP before Nana or my own multi. When I'm 2 name for you.
I'll answer me only capre. No, the campaign. That's why I can see Uniska is about me. So look at your money. So curious on Niska.
I will say for that for my Kwaba at the back channel. So channel need the Solid TV. Make sure subscribe to the channel. If you say about 90% of your viewers won't subscribe and you boy any first to be a car say Ocean now subscribe, Ocean now subscribe, and for so since yeah the content too man. You'll be the first person to watch a content from Solid TV channel. Yeah, production the free Ghana Ken studio. We are internet na ho adeso nkuti ba bi obi the content rebel. And you see nkunya na ensem egu paso. Ensem a yede enam se anka ne Ghana man peni John Dramani Mahama and we Frank Kurafo at the National Democratic Congress about ponti da ba betu dwase. Se nyame ya adom na the Ghana for eto aba at the manner. One also university level 100 for no urama ay free na okasa wiye no sira na communicators na chirichiri mu no akwata 24-hour economy na obi kura kan say ye benya ajata ene asebo na export to mu no asade no o ma anwe no ansana o ma beka ana say communicators no muntimi enchirichiri mu de eyie asem ba ko so a ye behwe enso no say subi mesebedwani Eugene Boachi entwiso aba abontene na ne nsem a wo keka no abushafo e ka me se ensem bi asi okukua mu no papa no ekeka yahudie ana papa no de kasa nsem ana se ba bi edu no Ghana na nokre ana o se yeka ensem we afufo ka ho ene anope awie anwumre ye de e ba beso mo se akwaso sem me twa mo aba me ba
Finally, my family is free because of Rome Villa Estate. Yes, this estate is responsible for selling affordable litigation-free lands that have electricity, water, and accessible roads. I am so happy.
I'm about to say, Franco Rita Ababacana. I say you put that in the free Ghana can studio by the power of the internet and by the content. Let me say, but cannot create and people. Nippon be started air cannot create. na o meka no kokko say that Yesu Kristo e ebeba Franco akwaba
mejo so bi ni asha ibula sisi
na ho ye
nyame adom meji so so ho ye
boko
na me hu sa ho de ba
ahode ho say that ho de
bia ba gene de
bia ba gene de
say Austin dement na say ras
weather no
say aka say ras so de be ma na de ma na je say nipa na e wo ha ni nyina no
welcome note
na papa what nka
maintaining ka but me say
na date da be
and date and 13th
and 14th
and 14th
okay
14th there are some few days few days
Jesus is coming soon
echina na watch
yeah
ti echina na watch and Isaac Bodom yen ne din kra e wo lashe bi funeral home na ye ade nyina isi o papa yaw oni akuma nti na busu afọ me say ono akobeba na ma so asi yi ba ye papa yaw akobeba papa ye nim no woni ya tena yi nti no wo de hwe so na bra yi ni bi nti mo amutie ye eduru ha mombra me ne Franco ne setting na debeko Franco
yes sir
John Dramani Mahama was say so be Ghana man penia University level 100 there unyanya admission na pakonia manako untua 1 city na say a free level 100 ya meboa na ya ko mama be cheche mu say one we can say one truly na say ya nyi wadi a ifiro ko ne e wono nyame akoso obi di wa ba bedu Kumasi na wajawa ma wono nyame anasa pa ya wode wakokodu America odu du wa usi ya na bakase Franco bi wa ba bedu de aka wono nyame tu ya cha level 100 na de aka wono nyame na communicators no what TTB na policy hu ni say
Shabu
Franco
ma me nche obi bi na no pai me no video na ye no na hu say amanfo bi just owner Franco you are being hard on the NDC ne sa no ma no da bia me catch you say e ha na mete no I don't belong to any political party. Today, I might be in your good books. Tomorrow, I might be in your bad books. Today, I might be a hero for you. Tomorrow, I might not be a hero for you. I will tell you the reality. No pen and was I will speak my objectivity, my integrity, and my mind. Me kwa for videos. And no matter kai can one say. As some many panic can say these 2024 elections. And yet, it's after us no be a cast no jaho. We will go into it. We will ask questions about it. We will probe it. We ask crucial questions.
Franco, me pesa me dey ade with you. Ada an MPP former campaign launch.
Yes.
So unapo ne kasa.
Me say, me ka obi say Anna Franco I say you have hatred for the man is Armano. And the way I walk on. Now me ka obi say I'm being hard.
Dr. Kufo.
Dabana Kufo doctor.
Dr. Mahama.
Dabana Kufo doctor. One was Kufo a doctor. One was JJ Rollins a doctor. JJ Rollins, Dabano a doctor. I don't get it. And look at the way he was able to label this kind of people and small kind of form.
I say Aquaba.
Hey!
Na mebo napo from a himfie.
You want to occupy this kind of seat.
And you should know how to communicate. And our things, you know. Men can say, when a free person by vice president and yen. And to Kasamu should be able to.
Let me pass them the min kabi.
Ubi no tana po.
Me min kabi mu.
Napo kwa hiya no Ken favorite.
Min kabi.
But
owa se Ken say pa no be ya ankwan support no. Ken no nim say. Na na po be conduct no wake cancer ma. E bia ankwan ko di nachi. Hey. Akonya won tina so da. Akonya you are playing to get there. Look at the way he addressed past presidents. Hey, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, no abo why na Kwame Nkrumah no akwa Dr. Ila Imam, no akwa Kawe, ebu Atanas so. Look at the way he even addressed Atanas. Akwana wo no. Hey, you know the sign army. Madika catch a meme come was on a Franco. You are being hard on a pop me catch him say or Kasaba could be 20,000 people and the free MPP. People who are floating voters when your money is on Metuabano, they run away. Look at the kind of comments. Shansama Walker.
Anna, the woman I don't for me and Kanakre. More am paying these leaders. You are not being fair to them.
Ebia mutu for so one.
And to me and catching a person na po.
Me say,
or Ebia, I say, Penny to do trust and him to the church. Baby, how the campaign nam and 1 year.
Be a mutual for so fa.
I don't think so.
Ah, Shabra Sisi. Unya will lead the beer. Sally than the two for Homfa. Everyone to me.
I mean,
as I'm an okay.
I'm going to yeah. So, on your opportunity, a pain, nipa. Me, my pain on our camp. There are lots of people who train people. We sycophants.
I'm going to kind of
Nipa e can't sem.
Yes.
Na ankuya. Na ankuya. But oh no, prison.
Yes.
But me, so honorable Ken. So we share no. Now we put some more of the culture. Me o make it comment na me and ya me ba me say papa to me dear.
Yes.
If it's a hard year there.
Yes. And so can see. And so can see.
Well, we are also justify. I'm so okay. Yeah, move on. But oh, say yo and people did na pochi.
I want to know so people
and you should be appealing to people.
The elections are for one person we the flag bearer. Elections are for elections are for. And look at the way he's addressing past government, addressing past leadership. What say? I do mama class who come person of mama pudding.
On him, say Chairman Sabusi, I cannot say, but the council super delegation. You have to take on. I told Chairman Sabusi something, but I'm the Chairman Sabusi MP for not fire. All about 2 about now, Obi said, Rafa. I am out for you who niggas every channel. And I'm a catcher to say, yes, Chairman Sabusi, say, election, no quite for cow. Cabot me flag bearer. Yes. What na parliament at a camp at all? Yes. Who know him MPP moon. But never said enough for Mutino. And to obey one election as our support now. And we don't speak ill about the person. And now say Chairman Sabusu, you do your pack you. And the Chairman Sabusu, you are trouble with you. Relevance here. They say, now maybe a Chairman Sabusu. Majority they say manifesto committee. They say. And they are going to dictate their fashion manifesto. You can't say who as one account. Let's say. What's here in Semana Poker? It's not good for the MPP brand. I'm telling you. It's not good for the MPP brand. And if you want to Sudan, give them the certain kind of respect. I'm a wonderful. I'm a wonderful. Hey, the fact bearer himself may say, Cotier or Mampenuku in 1996. Any 2000 campaign or prosecuted policies upon policies. Yet be a baby free maternal care. Yeah, baby health insurance. Yeah, baby way a school feeding program. These were policies. Nanado. Wow, nipa. For education or turn in field was almost 12 years. You have a presidential candidate. Yes. What the MPP are back from and I'm air promising mobile phone. But your mobile phone 1 city, 2 city. Driver's license 8 years to 10 years. Debut. Hey, never say your mind. We hear Juma swatches a year. So I say, why a digital man? One inquire a brutally. Licenses when you get a license, there are some traffic when you drive over speed. At tip point full license. I will take points training you bet Jeffrey. Another issue. Another issue. If you look at the kind of problems I Ghana for Kuma, the drivers for Kuma, are they talking about Aisa like you met drivers, you couldn't tell them say yes, I will reduce petrol. I don't have a problem, petrol. Renew Laza and Neko your con and new 5 million and 5 and and now doing 5 and that I 2 years. I pay to return daily. People around Baumia is not helping him. MPP for now. People around him. The kind of things that he's saying, it opens avenues and doors for people to punch him. Where if you look at our driver's license, was 8 years, yeah, maybe. And so Bisan was say. Why? What are the reasons I may call for renewal? Yes. Who is that? Who call for renewal? Yet what now to those machine who check you in Chimeba? Obi a young fan is glaucoma. Obi or visually impaired. Obi a young fan is Adia Bena Wum, Adia Wachra Wum, Adia Wachra Wum, Adia Bena Wum. Send you partners all my licenses for 8 years. Not a sandy panel call for renewal. Not the testing in here. Means he's going to put a lot of Ghanaians into a problem. I said, okay, men will be a cop, you could renew a license. Omni true, omni party to I. Yes, say, gent me and for license. Yes, I didn't papa. Nothing yet. We know drivers are not your bar. You should do the light compare, baby. 1 year. And as someone who can, you are putting the lives of Ghanaians in a risk. What him say? Obit me cop. Your friend is a driver license. You live for machines where to make us not being
And that one I was a quick ass and I say, or for car, or more by do say, pop on about was a day. Sad driver, no, a friend is a meant cycle. There be more if you high fever. High fever. I'm so more by no, what do I put on about on a high fever? Not that one, you would tell about and I'm out for come. Yeah, what packing with you. And young man says, and you put it for 8 years. Now the person is not going for renewal. How can you identify the problem of the person side? Nippon new driving a back way too crucial is the sight of the person. So Nippon one year he put the lives of the people in a risk. You say yes, be a power. Yes, be near we want to break the 18 years anonymity. So I'm police be America. Now no coca mobile phone as them. Now my catch us as I didn't realistic. We don't have manufacturers in Ghana. John Dramani Mama also know I have issues with them. I'm called a free university. Shall I see from Creator? Or maybe I will tell you that take emotions out. Maybe I may say, and this animal problem is your own risk. Yes. Oh, yeah, MPP animal problem. I want us was them. Oh, for animal problem. I don't have any problem. But the main catch on is a class and go into your closet, lock yourself. On quarters, let us smart from Wokano. And no crown, I said, no correct. And now, make us a medium if you could cast 10%, or bow measure Mukina, or be seen a boy, now headliner. And I'm a catch us the most video, no audio, no. Sabijan Finas and Pat, your friends as and FM. Almost personal, or the torso, Austin Fatos money.
Biano. In fact, and young people, Ghana, ye be introduced to levy, and your tax are, we are looking at something like betting, sports betting. Levy Ben, you be media so sports betting. So they say you UK 4 years to fund Olympics. How can we put a levy on betting and generate revenue? I bet for sports development fund.
Who should you Samijan Vikaya? Samijan Vision Mobile, they are going to put levies on sports betting. Yeah. I didn't tell Franco Car, will say you have issues with it. The NPP, the NDC, they are blessed with young guys. Young guys, in terms of communication, only super extraordinary. Now, this time on, now, my catch say, if you look at the NDC, the kind of youth that they are having, the kind of communicators that they are having, oh, your NPP, that's one year, they are going to expose you. Anytime our issue will be and if they are addressing the issues, they are able to address it and address it well. One can say they will fall for you. Malegba Sintali, or Kasakwana, he is making a lot of sense to you. Edu Wasa is attacking issues. He's not attacking personalities. He's attacking issues. When you're very young guy, or transforming paying for your intellectual debater, you could see Sami Jamfi, St. James no choir Sabeco school, LK University one corner, meaning say or learned. I don't know, young guy as a lawyer. I don't know what I say. Nobody said Eric Jamo, nobody said Farabonomo, and the money uncle for to Kono or to Konomo. Just a grandfather because it was on them crown and crown. Now look at the young guys. I want the National Democratic Congress. They do intellectual debate. I'm not Nasi Dinkomo, they are able to attack the issues, they don't attack personalities. It means that the NDC for now, they are blessed with young guys, and they can go into the matter and explain matters. MPP Asemba, Nasa Asemba. Now say omujina so chechi mu a won say ankofo is super extra no mo chade na say. My problem with the NDC is say if you look at these young guys, these intellectuals and your party communicators are omo kasa policies but they can't explain it. That's what make it you. Say omo asem omo say it's a campaign manifesto. They are convincing the young guys, they are convincing Ghanaians to vote for them and confuse them not to vote for the NPP. No, they cannot explain it well. That is why I have a problem. In terms of party politics, when it gets to elections, you should have one common language. Yes. Common language. And if you look at the NPP, in 2012, Obana was a free senior high school. I could find question BBC for when men teach him, but the NPP and the communicators still went hard on it. Yeah. Now, if you look at Akufo-Addo, in 2016, they were attacking issues, not personalities. And to make sure I say, Amerino, any side so you better solve it. Then Kansas City media, Bolan Quebec Mama Bocha Daku 1 hour 30 minutes. Fache Semu, Bocha Daku identify the problems and give solutions to the problems. He's buying into the Ghanaians' mind. This kind of elections are here for. Now the catch was now that 2023 or 2024. Yes, Ghana population has increased and it has grown from 1.93.
Yeah.
They say Ghana for is a 134 million population.
Yeah.
About 70 of them are youth. In the election now, a major target plan is about the youth.
Yeah.
And now, on my cast sports betting, once I make catch us, two parties, no, or me and Obia Maclay, or me and kind of about the sports betting, waiting number. So the two parties, I don't trust them when it comes to sports betting.
Okay.
Sabu, no one I don't have the Bisa name say. The NDC are catching yourself mobile, or the free,
the free level 100.
Say
Free entry to a university.
Free entry to a university.
Yeah.
Mekai, so what NPP in opposition? A cast from the idea free bar. The NDC says idea free be papa. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's be explicit.
Let's counter adverse.
Your adverse Makumaku 36. 36 no. They fought against the free senior high school. John Mama said a progressively free on the buy. But if you look at progressive free, I agree. If you look at their students, you are of your man, but totality, the free education are a cover over 300,000, 400,000 the first 1 year of a Kufadno, and a Kufad when they buy. And the NDC says that it was wrong, and yeah, the papa. Now, the NDC, so they are going to, I don't come sit down a couple of rich, I'm almost a free comedy. Review. I have no problem to it. Every program here we do revision about it, revise it, and see the challenges and the problems in boom. Because if you look at free senior high school and your double track system, maybe if the NDC comes to power, they can solve this kind of problems. Shabu, the NDC, in your opposition now, they are saying, they are going to give us 24-hour economy. The 24-hour economy has even become problematic to the NDC. Communicators, if you have a party chairman, I say don't get you catch or say sometime no 24-hour no matter say a brand I do a well there's this no man you have to tell light so they are more how much my Jesus Christ.
Obisu Ekoso can say Omo provide security that watch say
Mutala Mohammed so crab a say Mutala Mohammed was they are going to provide security police and them a pharmacy shop no be a company Sani police mean for security and could be a company. And a Ghana police ratio per every Ghanaian 1,200. Police Liverpool average work 1,200. So it tells you say a police service we have challenges with it. Free so for Sukwachi. No, I catch us on my bed. I watch it and I do per watch idea. A course 24-hour economy. Jesus Christ. Chabra Sisi. And so it's a serious matter. And this is for now. The mama focus the alternative is scary.
Aquaba going to say.
Yeah,
there's so many.
Unipano, Peggett, and then Venice, Peggett. Was so many Jatanes book. Oma by Yamo, no movie, I export to Jatanes book. Assembly,
export to be an assembly.
No problem what my church 24-hour economy. All church the most of the man is calm. What's your dinner? I said, your mama make 24-hour economy. No, one mamma told no more, Unipako, Eric Opoku. Go and do your checks. Former minister, almost about a nipple sound.
Ni passe.
The many encounter.
Say, nipa.
What I can correct. Shabu, he is the only person from where I sit. What much church 24-hour economy in a year. The car say, John Dramani Mama should go for a maca board. 24-hour economy. In terms of communication, you speak one common language. When Paul for a month, bring them into the classroom. Church 24-hour economy, every sector. If it is about economy, here, finance, here, because the NDC can attack the NPP. The NDC can meet with the NPP and they're able to wrestle against them when it comes to national issues. But when it comes to one casa policies or they have issues with it.
But Frank Onim say, Seka MDC, it means for 24-hour economy in a year. Etiase, Echichimuya. Can I come here campaign?
And some message. Here we are some. Another yet. Shabula says Franco, Yababa a Japadia document. What broadcaster will be at 1 week? A Japadia document. If Franco comes and sits here, let Japadia document is too technical. Or can us one just say how is he going to deliver? How is he going to deliver? Well, me say, I buy me at na for 8 years and we are here. Time. A lot of people go against the government. This is a grand opportunity for the NDC and other political parties to make sure we can wrestle power with the NPP. But NDC now, or your alternative Cassia woman, people are saying, say, oh, is scary. And per their conducts, their actions and inactions, it goes against them.
Now, so frankly, Okoye Jata that could be Jata Buno Mutisiku.
Me more coming a buabu, no Russian Caucasian, more coming three quarters the Yabi will be paying. In coming crown, I thought that they misbehaved towards you. In coming, I thought that they misbehave. No more some of can. One never for Jatanes or Bona, no more quack anyway.
Maybe an export to be.
Is it going to be a tourist attraction?
Now, what is here so cool?
Let's say, target, nothing more kind. There is no logic.
Some of Pam if you NDC.
And some of public, chin to tables to train the team as a massa. Young Suma,
one goes through that.
There's more kind of so good.
Sabi, make say if I'm not part of the NDC communication team, near mom this opportunity. Me 24 hour coming, me say meet me school NDC.
Shabulas, me say the NPP where he. But NDC now your alternative. No? In terms of policies, in terms of programs, people are having issues with them.
Yeah. You just said Ghana for say, commanders go for Trina Yentim. Yeah, ba. A banner quack just say.
Yes.
I die with the fool.
Yes.
Not for the almost almost ya 12 from mention. And now say near to me, I compare bias in the foreign countries. And now say demand no also. And you ban up. Maybe a burn you. I produce the I spoil. This is a 24 hours. You talk about big factories.
They say,
how do you use white to do a 24-hour economy?
All your NDC that's a wood team take emotions out. Won't call for no. Anchor by this time. I can't be a company campaign to a certain kind of level. Because of time I would only be the MPP. No. People are having issues with him.
Credibility issues.
One cannot create.
Yes.
They are told me the police or person on the ban. Some policies is unrealistic.
Yeah.
Or conformably are people punching to it. And it is a grand opportunity for the NDC to capitalize on it. Or one casa policies over there, they have issues with it. Sabu, what's it John Dramani Mama and the NDC say? Omoba, only free the entry neighbor.
Who's the Franco? Honorable can if Casa factory or table man.
Yes.
The plan was say, yeah, Baba export starch.
Yes.
At the Indian pharmaceutical companies.
Yes.
Yeah, demand a what Ghana no. Crampon and so
yes.
And the person exported there. Then I was said, say nipa 1,000 ya for man. I say suffer extra 1,000. And the 1,000 about 12 hours. Now another 1,000 hours.
Come made 883.
Now here 24 hours.
883. Asa. Per Ghana labor law. A Ghanaian should 8 for 8 hours. 8 hours. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And to be from 6. Yes. 2 to enumerate we now adiachi as 24 hours economy.
You say pharmaceutical company more Ghana no, and I forget my export.
I don't get it.
Yes, you can explain this NDC.
I don't get it. The energy the NDC get to point the NPP, explain matters to Ghana. Any sanomano, they can't explain their own policies.
Franco, ubet ma ton watch 24 hour. We say if businesses boom and ajuna. I know because watch never do. Now me too. I dare some near my mother. Watch we are up. Tito watching the bride. Can see the be no better. Name with the watching. See a turn and ajuna you are. Sika send a making a foreign income send a man. Na nip Sika send. How is it going to help Ghana economy to rise?
As someone who can free entry as me, go and look at the inconsistencies from the NDC. And in Kofana Mokasano, they are not just ordinary people. These are people, Can you remember? I want to read something for you. Can you?
I say
yes.
President Mahama convert polytechnics into technical university.
Thank you. And the John Dramani Mama date bang.
Date April 5th, 2016.
So person will charge and see ya. First now polytechnics.
Yeah.
They said they wanted to upgrade it.
Yeah.
By upgrading it, they are taking it to the tertiary level. Tertiary level, they are taking to the university standard.
What's technical?
Thank you. President John Dramani Mama on Monday performed a symbolic launching on the conversion of polytechnics into technical universities at the Takoradi Polytechnic, with the assurance that government will continue prioritizing technical and vocational education. He indicated that the technical universities will form an integral part in transforming socio-economic fortunes of the country, saying the country will be transformed with skills and knowledge of its human resources.
Yeah.
So if you look at polytechnics, is under John Dramani Mama. Mama every office no. Now your team and your 8.
Yeah.
Oh my yes, at time no, 10 polytechnics.
Yeah.
Now 8 no. Aba be say omo technical universities. And no, raba am koye so omo program.
I'm say youth manifesto and no chi.
Ti Monday.
Yeah.
And omo koye. Now, John Dramani Mama and the NDC, almost say, only free entry member.
Yeah.
For level 100.
Yes.
2 bar won't school fees. Now
admission now.
Thank you. Now, I want to understand one thing. Agenda John Dramani Mama Ekan. Is it a youth manifesto for the NDC or is part of their manifesto? 2 questions maybe so.
Sir, yeah, youth. We are the youth manifesto.
Thank you.
But it can also be the youth because one. Say acquiring admission now.
Yes.
Parents also go to you.
Yes.
The parents so are benefited so yet youth manifesto.
Well, let's even take it. Say they have a target group. Whereby is the youth.
But say one go school na youth.
Yes. And echo. Now, Shabula Sisi. Then I wanted to understand it well. How are they going to implement it? Mama Ben so they be for a bit my yes and my catcher say this election year. Who mean can't James over the Austin can I jaw circle? Who are you going to get the car? Fund them, yes. I'm going to ask critical questions. I'll go into it. Shabu. Now, if you look at the NDC, the head of the communicator, the head of their communication team, the head or your PR,
the head of communication
is a youth.
Yeah.
Or a Sami Jenfi. Now, Nipana, this kind of manifesto or this kind of policy or program was launched under his department is a youth. He's a lawyer. Now the NDC is for some they are going to give free entry.
Yeah.
And I'm a level 100.
Yeah.
And today I'm going to tell one casa policy now work and
it's volunteer.
I'm telling you, you see the inconsistencies. You have the communication director, who is the official mouthpiece of the NDC, who communicates on behalf of the NDC. And now I'm a catcher say, I give you a communication director for a corporate setting, only independent view. Only individual view. I want to give an example. And now, and I send for friend on beside me say, or might say coach Kwesiapia or ESCO means in Nibi. And okay. They are inquiring for me. And I told them, so one, I'm not on top of that issue. 2, when you say your friend is saying Kwesiapia with Yuki. If Kwesiapia be do Ghana or Befrema can't be do Ghana, then I have to make my chest. They send me videos. I know where ESCO means and Kwesiapia. Then I call Kwesi through WhatsApp and call. Now my friend normal call. We didn't finish no friend me back. No, I catch him say Kwabna no cre. Nemo me bedru ye no. Me 4 phones and now phone that do. Yes, me 4 and now phone that do. Me committee no. It was around 11. Me 4 now phone that do. Meanings I was see.
Yeah.
Me kasa me phone didn't mean so said I have to off it because people will be calling you. And I'm catching so was it part of the ESCO? He said yes. And I'm catching okay. If anybody calls me to do a live interview, I can talk about us, no problem.
No problem.
It's me. As a special, it represents the views of Kwesiapia.
The embodiment of Kwesiapia.
Thank you. And as I don't have an independent view. Likewise, over the Sami Jenfi. Sami Jenfi is the spokesperson of the NDC. This is a manifesto and a program of the NDC. See, the NDC for the person who to call about TB, Sami Jenfi, the call about.
Sure.
The youth organizer, in office, and soon the LED, and the department in jurisdiction, and launches a manifesto committee, and all programs about manifesto committee in Indiana, he's part of it. Now listen to this, the 2 of them are giving us 2 contradicting stories. Far phone. Let's say the 2 of them, they are giving us 2 contradicting stories.
Wait, Nama.
But wait, technical universities won't benefit from no fee stress program or Pariado. Kind.
The National Youth Organizer of the National Democratic Congress, George Oparado, has clarified that even though the NDC policy to absorb first-year academics user fee for public university, technical university are exempted from the program.
What has said?
As a technical university in the Onomia University, good into a ban into ya.
Good. Don't be so relax. This is the leader, the pinnacle of the program. One is the youth organizer of the NDC. If you look at the department, the structure in your quarter, you launch this kind of project on the way. Or no, leader, they say they are not going to implement it for technical universities. And yes, actually,
Yeah.
technical universities. I want to ask: are they polytechnics or technical universities?
They are universities.
They are tertiary.
They are not polytechnic. They are technical universities. See, abanish what are they saying?
Yes.
Or say they be youth babonten. The
Yes.
university babonten.
Yes.
No meaning sign of you. The technical university. 109 sign of human day.
Okay.
I want two background public university. Who inside the human say abanikwan for waiting on side. IBB.
Thank you.
And a technical university. Almost fees no.
Yes.
I aban na deba.
Thank you. And the Pablo say, and that's no. I'm not saying it too. The youth organizer of the NDC, Opereado Pablo, was say, Omoba, when it comes to technical universities, Omonkan, Mebwa. Now, can you say, and I want you to read it, Shabu, or say,
the National Democratic Congress
Yeah.
has clarified its free tertiary education policy for freshmen
Yes.
come 2020-2021. If
Kaya.
was it Mr. Sami Jenfi disclosed that Sami Jenfi added that the free tertiary education of the NDC will cover all students in the tertiary institution of learning. That's College of Education, Nursing Training College, and universities. Another nursing training college and university.
Okay, say a tertiary.
I see.
It's okay, what you are saying.
What is say? I bet cover all universities, including College of Education and nursing training colleges. College of Nursing Training College and count. College of Education.
Yes.
And normal grade number by
Education,
about a university or Bachelor of Education.
yes. In your man,
And a nurse for the diploma.
Let's even take
How universities?
Let's forgive them. Let's even take it. So, some are saying them vegan.
Correct.
Now, what say? Sami Jenfi disclosed that I was saying Sami Jenfi disclosed that the free tertiary education of the NDC will cover all tertiary institutions.
Sami Jenfi can A and Pablo Zuka B. See a wine we can hide we can.
Oh, my youth. As my mechanism that is it. Oh, my youth. This is a program. This is a policy at NDC for labor. Now the policy of
is it Samson Nichum?
yes.
Also to Papa.
Me say, I too. 19 cents guy be also when it comes to see him punch MPP corruption or best. Or one casa program on labor. Look at the way they are suffering.
But I know Papa put me pressing me on a PMS to connect here. Not claiming so a doctor.
My doctor.
Yeah. In fact,
Me say,
I was impressed.
once I woke up say you are impressed. Meaning say NDC for Nankasa Krano. Their own programs of labor. Instead of them to address it, plan it well, rehearse it, calculate, pattern it, and tell the ordinary Ghanaian community.
Maybe Mama said the 10 Monday. And and that's right after all kind.
Yes.
Some agents want to and some more communicators.
Yes.
More platform.
Yes.
They might be able to cover.
Yes.
Well, at least I don't cover there.
Yes.
I said you should give it to them.
Manin Kasam Chiro.
Now be
Manin Kasam Chiro. I do my 18 years. No matter our differences. Me cannot crash. The reason why this kind of issues will pop up, Sami Jenfi is not in good terms with Pablo.
Then how do you fight the opposition?
Good. See, Kona Kohe Pablo video be a walker say. Sami Jenfi will school near Jumada. Na Sami Jenfi will yes, come on him or cut to dine. See, maybe Sami Jenfi is right.
Yeah.
Maybe Pablo is right. But if there's that bonding and socialization between the two, and you could have discussed it before going to public. That's why if I'm not making sense.
So part in paying for the echoes of Monte.
I said, me say, and this is for Nankasa programs of Monte Church. One would get Janeban. I don't know what they won't be church. Now, I know it's my church.
And then on some reason, if you know about a you can say, is it E block now?
Yes, and so true.
Baby, also 46. Baby,
inconsistency. O me so mo count na man for catch them say the alternative is scary.
And scary ampa.
Me say, what you and what my cast am show. And I had the opportunity of listening to Alan Computer Chairman. Chagu, me cannot catch you play.
She had Allah ne
Alan, the party in United now. So be an intellectual debate. Alan will give you the problems and will give you the answers. Me from MPP. But what the Alan Jirawa in terms of communication, in terms of addressing issues, in terms of issues, we are giving solutions to Alan. Then your problem solver. Alan will give you the policy. Alan will explain the policy to you. And there are others who are able to identify the problem, but they can't solve it. But Alan to me identify problem, it's not solve. But me also the number. John Domani Mama, one policy is what they ban. You can't explain your own policies. You go and meet driver, tell them I will renew your license for you in 8 years. That's what problem in your license. And I John Mama so say. What to test them? Jatanya in a almost okay. Now what the program about a Monday? I dear Tia, Moyan and I do. I dear Tiano Pa, objective. I don't know where Nanumre. I'm a power yet. Nanumre and I call Nanumre. And a mamma called Bokuma on a betting entity. More programs are modeba. Instead of you to explain the programs well. That's how we be sa. Send your mama or cassette a free entry. You probably do level 200 or then with Chinese school fees. When you buy now, I cause so much when they qualify. And quite another day, Biaze, who will invest be automatically. What fail question, no call. What another day, who will just say. When you agree 40 free no me say I for the qualify. Na nipo do level 200 there. What be the school fees? I for the cover medicine for and e be free mu. You know the risk. At the same, you know the risk. Hostel at the same, you know the risk. We are going to have students they only graduated in level 100. Around him because no more church student loan will be and I get fancy cabin there say much the child, and I'm one said near Ghana for MP before Nana or my own Mutino. One of my two name for you. Alan, so I'm a unique capre. No, you're a campaign. Uniska, as a campaign can a campaign can a capital intensive. Would you Canada compare with the poor child about Mosiabo? That's why I make it. Uniska is about me. I'm only John Mamma. So look at your Manica. So curious of Uniska. There you know. And I have a problem with them. One problem now for Francophone. Why is this any program you may get is centered in Accra? I can't go to I can't go to Alan so based in that center. Maybe I can't go to it to identify key areas and work because see, some of us were about Santa Region. Oh, yeah, you GTP, we are Accra. Oh, yes, I do not Kumasia. Then the journalists in Kumasi also have a different opinion about you. They can ask you questions, whereby you can give them answers, where it can conform to the problems and the challenges in the Ashanti region. Oh, we are go to the regions and go and do it. But Allah no online short code never board. Campaign no timam for no. So Alan campaigns with me at to Timam for a campaign because who MP NDC, who NDC part 1 and part 2, you want people part 1, then people 2 cried and they say a kufado or more don't matter for the Yama say you. Our social media who be a bully and the Kufa second term with dear Yenima came on to call one time. Mahama also you chance one time. I could the chance one time. What's your cast and pet Pagana Fakuma soon solve the challenges and the problems? Alan Commuter also there's another comedian. So only Capre, Alan only Capre, Cheddar. Only comedian. The catcher will say that American I've asked a comedian. I'm not so serious. Said the number kind of catcher will say, Nature mouth for each other, one in Koso. And then I want to say, who shall see Waba? Oban, what the Lincoln navigator. Oban, what the G Wagon. Oban, what the Bear the Brabus. What the cars are can ever. Or no one can be that. And what is yourself Rasta the car man to the Piama as a Rasta car? Yes, I will do it you. Oh, there you. Now, Cheddar. Apart from over or minor dissonance. From 2009, ever now or ever. The bed out is a national issue by ya. Oh, yet you do that. Me say, I said disaster the thing. What's that said opportunity one city? Me say, near for man is your candidates in an person your objective Ghanaian. Now, make Jao party politics. e de ato ho e na ebo unu ebofo no unu ebofo no ebofo no ese MPP ni kra mo de bo beto no de MPP flag chekere ne ho a wo yi sa wadwe free sa ebofo ne nkraman fo ase ne se ye de kraman kra be de MPP flag guru ko meto aba mana na if you want to think as an ordinary Ghanaian, you think about Ghana first. You want to look at programs and policies. Shabla sisi, Miniska, Kambusa kwa malam kwa duty amante.
Franco, you heard that video. As a union, she also can't say more.
Why?
Eugene Boachenji, Subi MP. You heard the video.
See, I need you take a very critical look at the economy. One of this country will crash. Go to Shasta Sassi and Sebesa. Oh, yeah, Lebesa. Kuku, no, won't win ton of the Bezabo, back with Bibia for a substitute for Kuku, no Kuku here. And so, how do you run an economy?
Was it said that Chairman Sabu to help a finance minister? And when a man to me,
shall my main castle, meet you. And then, who meant to myself for Japadi as I find the book? I'm telling you, dear way, and your fiction. No crew. And no can answer the Toga Feathers. Thomas Wakasafa, Thomas the company Kitaway, SAS, Kitaway, so was a first on Kada Padano. No one can be or share no more. I'll say, I did do your order of got about all resigns at the end on sign. Let me say, was say, was say, adopting children, major players within the security sectors, beside data bank. Are the EADC investment of Ecuba, Stanley of Stanbic, and SAS of Toga Fede. These are institutions we will struggle to get into for obvious reasons. Our only chance of influence is the first two, somewhat where if our banking strategy is well orchestrated to secure some influence in Ecubank and Stanbic Bank, which will eventually offer some leverage around the EDC and the Stanbic. Regarding SAS, no, Toga Fede. Nedia, Tia. All efforts should be made to weaken it by using our foreign friends to offer juicy fund and asset management rules to keep personnel within the SAS in order to tempt them away from setup. That's why we weaken its ability to compete effectively. They will not go for Tobe. They will go for workers of Tobe. They will give them a lot of goodies. Their attention will move. But since we don't joke, they don't take it to be there and fixing. Sabu. And then, what's your papaya? Eugene. Me say, Sabukui, the main purpose of Sabukui is in relation to Ashantis. The main purpose. They want to downgrade Ashantis for no. They want to bring them down. But they have a nice way. Me say, open for proper cost group by Achimfo.
So, almost say, Napodie. Sika Kobiana Bell, or Mamma, someone catch a woman at Togo campaign.
So, no, so no. Nenia Brepe Vice President,
we dear Grasse, Casse, Baumian Lusua, or more pack or pack on. Only scam a contest.
Shabu,
Franco.
Page 1. Hannah Chairman Sabu to assembly one. Said that the countries of my super on a dampina. A man for so Franco, you better now, Pepper Panasep. And or be on any parliament. Or be on any cast Santa Cocos. Or be on part of the majority. Eugene Boachenji has been a deputy minister before. Was say, Chairman Sabunsu. Quay a fast when you tune the free one. Now he didn't have any agape. Shab we have said maybe me catch us say, okay. Me catch us they've been a meeting at Cantonese. Shab me say MPP me damu you. Always I tell someone it comes to NPP internal matters, don't joke with me. Me no. That is my trump card. Me say tamo mo pam no. Omo pam Chairman Sabunsu. Chairman Sabunsu was not in Ghana.
Me Gabi post to be writings, yes. Me who can make me boss at the amount. Was it? Our grandfather was sensible enough to educate all his grandchildren. So all of us are well educated. That's why Akufo-Addo appointed a lot of his family members into his government. Gabriel Cheda could defend his uncle Akufo-Addo family and friends government.
Akufo-Addo Busha from Kwen Waboy, a 51, and I call 52. The man called 52, they say, no one can no fast here as Antimedia 2, one ambassador at large. Was some another portfolio. Akufo-Addo Busha for 52. Akufo-Addo call it me money back contract. Akufo-Addo it me money back, a money ban so the contract, no command and
I so base and I say acts
creative acts
no. I said Kumantis.
Deputy Minister.
Was say, Akufo-Addo bar munya jumu.
Yes.
Mamma, powerful.
Shabula says, as a man, okay. And what has you join Yaka? You join some cabinet meeting. TBM on cabinet meeting. Papa Babet Naskino for Tabet Nasa 101 sorry. He's not ready to say. If you go to Parliament chamber, honor issues about finances. I said to Fratabet over church, and your neighbor. Or so woman, be Madame Bino. Thank you. Where? Chairman Sabons won't. My men cannot crunch. They use him in a nice way, and they have dumped him in a nice way.
To one can do an interview or your own can.
Sabons are a catcher, will say. Chairman Sabons, before someone being a catcher, say. They've been a meeting at Cantonese. Cantonese no more. When we are meeting, it came out, said Chairman Sabons, we are going to leave him from his position as a majority leader. And it's hard time another pay when you pay Joe Wise. Joe Wise, when you are bringing us, depends, you know, not meeting necessary dada. Chabu, the NPP is my trump card or honor. No more meeting. The Chairman Sabons will be do Cromano. Nasi said, many as a series, but they wanted to use him for a donkey work in 7 years. You know, young Kwasi for 7 years. And we are dumping.
But we can't pay for Juma Chairman Sabons. Yeah. Now, Baumian and Cassandra, you say, now MPP and Cassandra, yeah. And you see, what about you? Or call a now MPP and Cassandra. And you see, what about you? And do you see, one party now? But me, almost, yeah, almost Jan, almost the family. And you say the Mabaumia, Chairman Sabons, and someone will tell you the answer. A chance of a pendia. There's bitterness is peeved. There's pains we wouldn't want him the out. Can I point the out? To also say to achieve, we need to appropriate the fundamental economic and financial levers, which will guarantee such controls to come. In doing this, we need to be strategic. We will have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected in Ashanti and other diverse ethnicities or lands. This will make them believe that they also have a hand in pie. It will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Oforipenyi project. I want to say this kind of idea, the main motive is say after the exit of Akufo-Addo, if you look at some company power, the Achem people, a section of Oforipenyi fearful, they will be still relevant. But say the amount for game muscle. Never died or Madino. To play it safe, let's look for Nkophobia. They are not from Achem. They are from different ethnicity. Let's bring them on board. Imagine Bay almost say, Sad Yanomokahu, and Janoma BTP. No money about Mosono, near the near who prove their flow money, near the Akoma will be a one camo, Besatana you too late. You. And Jaha, or catch or say, although the Asante group within the current NPP is gearing itself to take over the party. Now, after the next tenure in 2024, it would be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With hard work, we could work to bypass the mantle over to a non-account person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we can secure the maturity of our takeover project. And I'm going to tell the kind of donkey work of my Chairman Sabons here. Diagro, the Nagin Diagro, and any band was no. Now, elite. Money, definitely. What yet, Papa, workers are on Chairman Sabons here. What say? Omo could be touched for Chairman Sabons and go for my master. I catch the Akufo-Addo say, Chairman Sabons, a finance minister, and you would want to say Chimo Omokoya Lutano. Wait a minute. Thank you. Asantinian brepe a chimney position. To we are tough for power. Thank you. And the Sika banking clean up in our finance minister. Oh, but now all we do. Have you asked yourself? The main finance minister, you are near my Chairman Sabons and a kind budget. What is our most accurate? Pool of ministers are now warning now. And in the leadership of the MPP, why did Akufo-Addo opt for him? To go and read it. We can set you up, I don't know. Say, person will be the finance minister. Now, on a kind budget. Or can you be able to you are happy with it? So you want to become a minister? You have had an interest. So you want to become a minister. And you want to fight against it. In your position, no, one of the campaign. Where were you when we need financial things? And the way for the Chairman Sabons, and they offer an incapacitated MP deba. You need to ambulancing. Near source iron, yet not reach him, no other trouble for 11. Near Wako for just for imposter. Near the number, then this was there being a Wako trouble.
nya de mo way donkey way you be catch us Dr. Mahmoud ba me be bo din say on aba be running mate do everything possible so when me ama ba me win or we new year over be running mate you do be donkey way kini nyina edru wa na catch us that you don't qualify
na sisi ano sia ye to baby pa che mensa bunsu he become an ordinary person
and enyama e hono enyama because say mensa bunsu adena na oye no he didn't know the kind of implications and the kind of problem that will put him in.
I don't know when him say, "Oma promise running mate." Yeah, farmer no. See, I'm permanent free parliament or as like say, or that's your majority. Obey using the position that they are fighting about.
Oma say, chairman sabons na share. Emma Eugene boy change money and the appear could be more. A year a coup d'etat against the year friends. What's here papa na was say? The NDC sorry wanted to impeach the man.
Yeah.
Mkoye meeting and I Gabi Fredo. You know, call Gabi Hofi. Only Gabi Dingo no say record me.
Papa.
Because the NDC, this is the plan. And it's a Kufa act faster. And here it will be a problem. Also, Kufa catch and say he's thinking about it.
That will be sure money.
They don't know. A Kufa catch a second for that and start the IMF program. The process is on start here. In Germany, IMF programs will take him out. But I know because after a second trench, third trench in my. So why do you offload him from his position?
And the bottom line say, "Utie Eugene I in some now. Eugene I watching some now." And some like can was say MPP
yes
president
yes
MPP MPC say
yes
yes president say
Shabula Sisi.
What can of rata and for Bianya Shay? What can of rata and even cabinet meeting or more than organ was on Ako? No, I mean, a mamu and say, and I really Ghana say, I'm more cool do, or damn son be, and I really do, or damn just a mess, say, be out with your budget better cabinet, Kessa, or we get on my canyon, or them. Yababa money, Mosumo, oversee Mosu, or we are so crying answer.
And I jail for. Or that was he told you guys the reality. The person he wanted to give the party to first. Why do you say that Diego from Penasa? But the actions and inactions of the president, or in the bush, you for no more. It comes to confirm it for you.
Fakuleta, but I say, Abuja for Franco Heta, now turning Canamidi at the Shibula Sisi, Austin Bema, and I've a jobless and Yenya Bema Slasso, Ebe Boy. Say, I don't know this Kusama, Ibishia.